Okay, so in this short tutorial, I'm going to talk about most important thing just before you start sending SMS message or any SMS campaign or any SMS automation. You need to make sure that your checkout page, which we use to collect subscribers, is TCPA or GDPR compliant. You need to make sure that all legal copy is in your checkout page. Otherwise, you are going to collect subscribers and send them messages illegally. So first thing, what you need to do, you need to click on opt-ins and choose SMS campaigns. Here you will find all opt-ins we have at the moment. We are working on different pop-ups and different integrations, so you will see the slightly more of them. In our case, just click checkout page. You will get a guide. Read all information why you have to do that, so to understand that, and simply start verification. So first step will be like to click here and make these amends over here. So simply click here. You will be redirected directly to the place where you need to make an amend. So in our case, we need to find the shipping address, phone number. So scroll down over here, you see. So you make an amend and click save. When you're done, go back and click next. The next step will be to again click here. You will be redirected to the same page, but you need to scroll down and make sure that your checkout page checkbox is not pre-selected. It can't be pre-selected. I know that majority of merchants, they like to do that, but in our case, if you want to send SMS messages, it has to be unselected. The next step, let's try to make amends to our checkout page. So simply, again, click over here. So you will be redirected directly to the place where you have to make an amend. Copy from here. You can, if you use different languages, you can choose French, Spanish, wherever. In our case, we will use English. Copy this information. It has to be like this. You need to make sure that it's your brand name. So for example, I don't know, it will be like Firepush demo. So system automatically will include your brand name into line, and just copy it, go here and copy paste it over here. All right, let's make amends and click save. Then let's go back and click next. Here we will have to update our shipping address input. So let's copy information from here, click here. You will be redirected directly to the place where required. Copy information here and here. All right, just make small amends and click save. Let's go back, click next. Now, most important thing, this copy has to be placed at the bottom of your checkout page. So simply click on it, copy it, click here. And now you need to make sure that it's included into privacy policy over here. So simply copy paste it over here. Make sure that it's under privacy policy. It's not under HTML or something. It should be under privacy policy. Click save. All right. And last step will be to add additional information to your privacy policy page and to your terms of service page. So simply copy on it, click on a button over here. You will be redirected to settings, which is over here and under legal pages. So we can go settings, legal. All right. And then make sure that, you copy pasted that information inside your privacy policy over here. So all right, okay, so here we go. So privacy policy, choose where you want to add it. It can be anywhere. Just I will put it at the top of the screen so you see it. All right. And then people will have possibility to click on it and go and read slightly more information. Click save. Then let's go back, copy this one, click again here. You will be redirected to the same place. Scroll a bit like down to terms of services and copy paste it anywhere inside your terms of services. All right, and click save. So now when you're done, your checkout page will look like this. All right, so we have copy here, we have copy here, we have copy inside privacy policy here, which looks slightly, not very nice, but it's important to have it because there is no another alternative proper way to do that. So just put it there, and then if you click on it, you will open a pop-up with the same copy over here. And if we click on terms of service, we will find that copy over here as well. When you're done, simply click next, and then submit this form. So our support team will verify your checkout page and will provide you with additional guidance if something is missing. Normally it takes about 5-10 minutes to finish everything. So if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us. We are always there. Cheers.